Okay, so hi guys, this is the third episode of the Beesma series. So, first update, I now got another gifted Brave Bee. I've leveled up some bees to level 8 and I got the rake off camera. Okay, now what should I do? Think I should play again. Can someone please help me with this? No. Okay. I'll be back when I get a response. Someone responded with, I don't have any bees. I wonder who that is. I forgot I wasn't recording. I forgot I was recording in general. Sorry about that. Now, because of that, I'll just record the. I'll just Oh yeah, off camera I got some more badges. Now what should we do? Yeah, I forgot honeyweave. Wait, no. Ginger. Oh. How much gingerbread do I have anyway? Five gingerbread. Wow. I guess I'll get the honeysuckle bundle. I don't know what I'm going to do with a honeybee jelly, but I have it. I'll get extract, but I can't afford it. This one may be a short one. Okay, so instantly I figured out what to do and challenge. Okay, so Cobalt Bee, don't film me with this one, okay? I know you're only level 7, but please don't film me with this one. And let's go! Why am I not in it? Oh. Why is it? I'm a minute in. We're doing... Okay, I'm going to record this because I can. Don't know why I would need to do that. 3 minutes in, the stress. Yeah. The lawnmowers are here. I died, bruh moment. Why? Look at my other amulet. It's so good. I can literally give that to a person with 2 bees and they would say no. Okay, so what now? Actually, I'm going to let you guys do what I should do. So I might end the video on like bit. So what I want you to do is like comment down below what you want me to do in the next episode. I read every comment. Me checking if I got a comment now. Nope. So no. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, turn on notifications. Not trying to be dream or anything. Goodbye.